Uh-oh.
Gotta get on it first. Don't run him over. Put your feet up here.
Ow.
Stand up.
Right here. Turn this way. Push. Anthony, you gotta turn it. There you go. Sorry, Jacob.
Just make sure he doesn't go in the street.
Hold on to the button. Oh, look at that little crack.